Hello. In this video we are going to be talking about how to identify the types of casement operators. Casement operators work with a crank mechanism to open windows out to the right or left. Casement windows have a lot of different parts, so it is important to get a new one that will work with your current window mechanism. Start to look for any recognizable marks or brand names on the operator. If you do not see one, don't worry. Many casement operator manufacturers do not put their brand name on the mechanism. Another place you can look for distinguishing marks is under the arms of the casement operator. On some operators, the manufacturer may have stamped a number into the bottom of the arm. The next thing you should identify is what type of casement operator you have. You can have a single arm operator, a dual arm operator, a split arm operator, a dyad operator, or a hybrid of these. Knowing what type will narrow down the search for a new operator. You don't need to take out your casement operator in order to identify it either. Just crank the mechanism and you will be able to see each casement operator work within the sash, whether it is a straight arm, split arm, dual arm, or any other type. Another thing to identify is how the operator is mounted to your window sash. You can have a face-mounted operator where the screws go in through the front of the operator, a rear-mounted operator where the screws go in through the back of the operator, as shown here, or surface mount, where the screws go into the frame itself. Some operators are made to be sealed into the window frame after installation. Once you know the type of operator you have, you need to get some measurements. This includes the measurement of the operator arms, which is measured from the center of the operator to the track attachment at the end of the arm. If the operator is split arm, get the measurement from the operator to the center of the joint to the end of the pin, and any other measurements that you can see. The last two things you need to keep in mind is what kind of linkage it has and what kind of track attachment the casement operator arms have. The linkage can be straight, curve up, or curve down. If you get the wrong linkage, it will stop the window from closing all the way. The end of the casement arm or linkage might have a detach clip, stud post, or roller, and even these can have differences among them. Some operators even have different attachments on different arms. Looking at the underside of the arms where they attach to your window sash could give you a better idea of what kind of track attachment you have, which is very important. If you get the wrong operator, it may not be able to attach to your window at all. Other operators, like the ones in these Pella windows, can differ slightly depending on the manufacturer. Be sure you note the differences so you can get the perfect replacement for your particular operator. When you are looking to replace your casement operator, you need to make sure that your new casement operator is the same as the original operator if you want it to work properly and install easily. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them at the bottom of this video, or you can contact us at allaboutdoors